Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet interlink circle. For this pattern, I am using a lightweight yarn. It's a very thin 3-ply yarn and a 4mm steel crochet hook. For my project, first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. After making a slip knot, make your base chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am using a lightweight yarn, that's why I am making 12 chains. If you are using a thick crochet yarn, you can make less base chain. So now to start your first round, make chain 2. Chain 2 does not counted as our stitch, so wrap the yarn and go on to the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Again go into the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops to make double crochet 2. Take the starting yarn tail between your stitches while working and repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6. After making few stitches, you can pull your stitches to make a space and then you can continue your working. Double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, and you can complete your double crochet stitches into this circle like this. So friends, I have completed 30 double crochet stitches. Now go into the first double crochet stitch and make a slip stitch and pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches. So first of all, take your yarn to the back side and then make a knot to secure your work and then simply weave your yarn to some of the stitches. Like this. Now cut this starting and ending yarn. So this is the first circle. Now we are going to make the second circle by joining the first circle with the second circle. So for the second interlinked circle, I am going to change the color of yarn. I have already completed my 12 chains for the second circle as well. Now you can simply enter this chain into this circle and then go into this first chain and make a slip stitch to join. Now we are going to make our round. So start with chain 2 again, wrap the yarn, go into the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 1. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 2. Take the starting yarn tail between your stitches while working. Double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, pull the stitches, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, double crochet 11, double crochet 12, double crochet 13, double crochet 14, double crochet 15, double crochet 16, double crochet 17, double crochet 18, double crochet 19, double crochet 20. Now you can put it like this and keep working. Double crochet 21, double crochet 22, double crochet 23, sorry, double crochet 23, double crochet 24, double crochet 25, double crochet 26, double crochet 27, double crochet 28, double crochet 29 and double crochet 30. After completing your 30 double crochet stitches, go into the first double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch, pull the extra yarn and cut the extra yarn and weave the extra yarn to some backside stitches. So friends, after weaving the extra yarn, now I am changing my color again. I am switching to first color. So complete your 12 chains again and take this chain from the second ring and make a slip stitch to form a ring by interlinking this ring. And again start with chain 2, take the starting yarn between your stitches and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, Pull the stitches to make space and continue working and complete 30 double crochet stitches, and then by making a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, pull the extra yarn and then cut it off, and then weave the extra yarn to some backside stitches as we have done for the earlier two rings. So friends, here is the final look after finishing. This is how you can interlink circles, and you can make a crochet interlink circle cord which you can use in different projects, like you can use them as bag strap, and you can also use it for dress belt, and you can even interlink two circles and you can join a earring hook and you can convert it into a earrings, and you can make different projects like this. So if you like this pattern, you can try it, and if you have any questions about this pattern, you can ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Bye.